boys and girls, so we're here. We're going to work the problem solving. This is for problem solving, the solutions for problem solving 7 and 8 and 11 and 12. All right. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to start by solving number 7 and 8. So 7 asks you to graph the points in the table on the grid at the right, then draw the line through the points. So you have to look and see what's what. So time, they tell us, is the X, and Y is the page is red. So we have this here, right? I'm going to go ahead and just switch this table like this. And so time is 1, pages is 20, 2, 40, 3, and is it by hour? It's hours. So 3 hours, 60 pages read, 4 hours, 80 pages read, 5 hours, 100 pages are read. Okay, so we're going to plot that on the table. So we have 1. In 1 hour, we have 20. So we're going to do this. In 2 hours, we have 40. So 2 goes here to 40. In 3 hours, we have 60. 4 hours, we have 80. In 5 hours, we have 100. Okay. If the pattern continues, how many pages will have been read after 6 hours? So if the pattern continues, what is the pattern? This is counting by 20, 40, 60. So this is going each time. It's adding 20. And for every 1 hour, it's an additional 20 pages is what I'm seeing. Is everybody seeing that? So for 1 hour, it's an additional 20 pages. So that means for 6, if we go here, it's 120. So we extended our graph to solve this. And you, of course, are going to draw this line all the way through like that. Okay? And after 6 hours, it would be 120 pages. Be read. Okay. And I told you did not have to do these ones. Okay. Let's look at these number 11 and number 12. What does point 15,4 represent on the graph at the right? Okay, and so the graph on the right has to do with time, total distance, and a crawling ant. Okay, time, total distance, and an ant. So 15,4 is in 15 seconds. The ant has gone 4 meters. So 15 seconds equals 4 meters. Okay, now I'm going to look at my choices. The ant crawled 15 meters in 19 seconds? No. No. The ant crawled 15 meters in 4 seconds? Yes. I'm going to check the rest, though. No. Ant crawled 4 meters in 15 seconds. The ant crawled 4 meters in 15 seconds? Or the ant... Oh, look at Miss Schofield. This is the correct answer, you guys. This is why you must read through all of the answer choices. Okay. Very good. I caught my answer. So in 15 seconds, the ant went 4 meters. That's what it says, and we did that right. Okay, the next one says, what point is 20,5? Well, 20,5, to me, I already know that's 20 seconds and 5 meters. So I'm looking for 20 seconds. And 20 seconds centimeters. Nope, that's not right. 20 seconds, the ant crawled 5 meters. I think that's right, but I was wrong last time. And in 5 seconds, the ant crawled 20 meters. Nope. Nope. In 5 seconds, the ant crawled 15 meters. No. Okay. And those are your answers, guys, okay? So if you have any questions, just send me an email if you're confused about any of this work today. All right, take care.